I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome. And as you know, or as you can see, this is a vlog. I'm doing a vlog today about my Uconnect system, my infotainment center, the screen. So I don't know if you guys are having this problem. I think from I'm just guessing, 2016 to 2018, maybe the 19th, I don't know. My Uconnect screen is coming, it's delaminating, that's what they call it. It's when the top screen that you can touch and the screen that is covering the Uconnect stuff is kind of like coming away from it. It's delaminating. It looks like a bubble. When I say bubble, like if you ever seen old tint on a car and starting to bubble from the outside, you can kind of see where the tint is flush against the glass and where it's coming away from the glass. That's exactly what my Uconnect is starting to do. It's in the top left corner. I don't know why. Cars kept inside. Some of my other buddies had the same issue and their cars aren't kept inside. So it's not a heat issue, or it's not a thing where if you leave it outside, it's gonna start eliminating or whatever. Like my car stays inside. It's in a garage when I'm not driving it, when it's parked, when I'm not out. You get what I'm saying? So going to Dodge now. I talked to Chrysler about it. They said they have had this issue. They've been hearing about this issue lately. So I'm not sure if this is something that Dodge needs to recall, but I was also told because it's not a Dodge product. Yes, the 8.4-inch screen is not a Dodge product. Don't quote me on that size, but it's 8 point something. And that's not the main issue right here. The main issue is you got a vehicle that's 2 years old, 3 years old, and the touchscreen. One of the major selling points for this car is coming apart. And if you look at my channel, you see my car, you see on Instagram, I keep the car in pretty good shape. I do drive it, but I don't Hulk smash the infotainment center. Like, there's no reason for it to be bubbling. I rarely even touch it, actually. I use the tuner knob to get around, and so when you're in your apps, you can use that. Like if you're in the app menu, you can go around and select stuff. So especially in CarPlay, not so much in the standard mode, but when you have your Android Play hooked up, or is it called Android Play? I don't know, got an iPhone. So you have the CarPlay hooked up, you can use a tuner knob to the far right knob on the display, right below the display. You can use that to select stuff. So I rarely even touch my my screen anyways. I'm just pretty much giving you validated points why my screen, I feel my screen shouldn't be delaminating or coming apart like it is. And the car is only 2 years old. Yeah, it's about 2 years old. Yeah. So anyways, it started to laminate. Comment in the comment section if this is happening in your car, and then also the year. Maybe it's something they can just, change or, swap out, just because it's a faulty thing. Like a lot of my guys that I know that have the Chargers, they don't treat their cars like crap. No one does. And it just sucks that if that's an issue that Dodge isn't willing to handle, I would pretty much set them back 10 years. I think personally that the Dodge product has improved a lot over the years, over the decades. It was at one point in time I would not even think about buying a Dodge, and lo and behold, I own a Dodge. So we're almost at the Dodge dealership, so I'll give you guys an update on what they say, and hopefully it's something that's going to be more so along the lines of them replacing my Uconnect. I have a great maintenance record with this place, which, yeah, I get it, get your own oil, but free or you pay for a package. You do that while under warranty and all that stuff. I have an extended warranty. That's only on the powertrain though. So this being not a powertrain issue, I'm hoping they, do a, what they call a forgiveness replacement. So we'll see, guys. Wish me luck. And I'll be giving you guys an update pretty soon. Later. All right, guys, we're back. And great news. They're going to replace the radio. It was a quick, and I won't say quick. I've been calling them for a couple days. But it was the holiday weekend, and some things get backed up a little bit. But they are going to replace the radio free of charge. And apparently it's something that's been going on with the models from, so I have the years 16, 17, and 18. If you got 19 and above, you're good. You shouldn't have an issue with the Uconnect system. They apparently switched over to a different, I don't know if it's a vendor or somebody else that does the 8.5 or 8. That does the Uconnect systems in the Dodge Chargers, Challengers, Durangos, and Jeeps. But yeah, so good news. All in all, it's getting replaced. They're gonna call me with a date when they get the radio in to replace it. So if you have a 16, 17, or 18 Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango, or Jeep, and you have the Uconnect system in your car or vehicle, and it's bubbling, granted, if you didn't do any physical damage to it, which you probably didn't, right? All right, cool. I'll put the number in the description field below, so you guys can call FCA customer service. If you don't already have the number, it'll be in the bottom in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps some of you guys out, and continue driving your car and having fun, man. Later. All right, guys, so good news. We got the car back with the new Uconnect radio. It goes down as a FCA Goodwill warranty. So I called them about the situation when it happened. I noticed in the top left of my Uconnect screen that I had what they call delaminating, and it's pretty much when the screen was coming away from the Uconnect system itself, the Uconnect radio itself, the physical part of the Uconnect. And with that, it wasn't coming out, like it wasn't hanging from the radio, from like me touching it. It was just, you could tell something was going on with the screen in between your finger and the Uconnect system. So I called the number that I would put in the description below, and with that number, you just need to have your last 8 of your VIN number. You respond with Uconnect when the prompt is given. It'll say like Bluetooth Uconnect, and you say Uconnect, and then from there they'll ask you to have your last 8 of your VIN ready. You tell them the last 8 of your VIN. Then at some point a human being comes on and you tell them the last 8 of your VIN as well. And then from there they get you connected with, they get you a claim number and all that. They'll actually go to your nearest Dodge dealership to get a work order put up. So you go to the where you go to your oil changes at, they'll put in a ticket, they'll run a diagnostic on it, and they're like, yeah, it needs to be replaced. When they do that in the system, the last 8 of your VIN will come up, or your VIN number will come up. Then they'll see it on their end, and then pretty much they'll reach out to them, and then they'll do their whole negotiation thing or whatever it is. But it is for the replacement of the Uconnect 8.4-inch radio system, and the screen itself is what's being replaced, not the speakers or anything else. That's the only thing I had an issue with, was the screen itself. So long story short, it worked. They replaced it, and also my car was not within warranty. My car was out of the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So I'm over 36,000 miles, and it went down as a Goodwill, FCA Goodwill warranty. That's what it was. That's what it says on the piece of paper right here. FCA Goodwill warranty. So, also, let me show you one more time. right here. As you can see, it says Goodwill warranty for there, and then right here it says customer states radio delamination, top left, and that's what they told me it was, so they just put it down as that, but that's what it is, delamination. And it was completely free. The switch out for the Uconnect was only an hour and a half, so they did change it. Like I said, I'm going to put the number in the description below, so you guys can use the number to call. I don't know if it's SCA or just Chrysler, but I'll put the number down here in the bottom of the description or in the description, so you guys can call. And if you have any bubbling of your screen, of course, not from physical damage, but literally it's called delamination on the screen, you can call in and have it replaced for your 16 to 18 Dodge, Jeep, or FCA vehicle with the Uconnect system. So thanks for watching. Hope this was very informative. Hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next time.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!